tonight?
Yeah, I'm going. Why?
I was just wondering. What's a Kaylee?
Get you a drink, Mr. Garrett.
No, I'm fine, thanks.
Have you found a way we can all get what we want?
Not yet.
Now, if I were you, I'd forget about seeking the approval of the community. Just bring in outside workers.
You would?
Oh, the locals will complain and grumble about it, but they'll come round when they see the jobs they're missing.
Then you can, in turn, rent them all your apartments, all the outsiders.
I'd be happy to play my part, Mr. Garrett.
Of course. I'll take it under consideration.
Now, don't let this leprechaun silliness stop the flow of progress.
No.
Oh.
I'm sorry. Look, I'm glad you got
Sorry.
There you go.
Okay. I was going to say, I possibly shouldn't have run off so quickly.
I'm sorry. Maybe I was looking for an angle with you. At first. Sorry, by the time we got to fire, business was the last thing on my mind.
Okay. Well, what exactly is on your mind now?
Molly?
Would you care to dance?
Thank you very much.
I could dance better than that.
Why didn't you ask her up so?
Do you know anything about women? You have to play hard to get.
Sarah,
Hey, Seamus.
don't get me wrong, but I'd say you're a virtuous woman, wouldn't you?
Well, I hope so.
Of course you are. So always remember that the greatest of all the virtues is forgiveness.